gonna try to see if there's any restriction across this filter dryer. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is to take the temperature of the saturated refrigerant across this to see if there's any difference. If we have a big difference across this filter dryer, that means the filter dryer is the issue. But if the temperature is not significantly different, that means it's okay. In this case, our filter dryer should be good because the temperature of the saturated refrigerant going across it is insignificant. It's almost zero. The difference is zero, right? So this is still in good health. Now